with me everywhere I go, from Edmonton down to Mexico. Let you know it's cool to follow your dreams.
Okay, so we're cruising back from Ocracoke, and I've got a new tip for sheet-to-tiller setup. I've kind of figured out something new this time, which really I've known for years, but I haven't actually been executing it because I kind of do it a different way. I've been doing a 2-to-1 using a tail block. So I'm going to show you what I've got going on this time. So this time we're going downwind again, and I'm flying the jib, and the jib is the smaller of my jibs. It's the 110. So I've got the elastic on the lee side attached to the tiller in red, and the turquoise line goes to the windward side through the windward blocks, around behind this seat through some more windward blocks, and then it crosses the cabin. And this time, instead of attaching up here in front of the block, just behind the jib clew, I've decided to attach right here. Whoa! Sorry, I gotta keep my balance. I'm rocking a lot. So you can see the bend that it's causing right in the middle of these 2 points of this eye here and the jib block and the jib track right there. So it's pulling a nice bend. Essentially what this is doing is it's creating a 2-to-1. So when the sail pulls on it, it's able to pull twice as hard, making a 2-to-1. And that is eliminating the need to use a tail block to do a 2-to-1. There it is, it's attached there, across the cabin, back through the windward blocks, through another windward block, and to the tiller. And the elastic to the lee side, as usual. Hey, have you noticed my boat seats? I love these boat seats. They're available at sportaseat.com, and you can use my promo code Pauli10 for a discount. They come in a variety of different colors of sunbrella fabric. They're very well made. I love these things and highly recommend them. Peace.